Hi, this is Galit Goldfarb. Thank you very much for joining me here today. Today I'm going to be talking about how to reduce uric acid levels naturally. Uric acid levels represent the amount of natural waste products left over from metabolism in your body. Because uric acid is the end product of the breakdown of purines, and purines are very prevalent chemical compounds. Purines are made either within the body, endogenous, or are absorbed from foods we eat, called exogenous. Now, uric acid levels are critical to follow if you are overweight, have gout, arthritis, or type 2 diabetes, or have any heart or kidney diseases. Most uric acid levels dissolve in the blood and reach your kidneys, which are in charge of getting rid of the uric acid through urine or through recycling the uric acid. Now, some uric acid is excreted through the stools as well. Although uric acid is considered an important antioxidant in the blood, high levels of it, together with fats, have health repercussions. High uric acid levels are called hyperuricemia. In hyperuricemia, when you consume a lot of purine-rich foods and beverages together with fats, your uric acid may become pro-oxidant instead of being antioxidant. The high levels of uric acid burden the kidneys, and the result of this buildup of uric acid levels in your blood is inflammation and tissue damage. When uric acid levels are high, they can crystallize, causing a number of health issues, including gout and heart and kidney issues. Uric acid levels also rise from obesity, from stress, from genetics, and diseases like diabetes and hypothyroidism and kidney disease and certain types of cancer as well. So let's talk about natural ways for reducing uric acid levels. Number one, you want to avoid purine-rich foods and eat more low-purine foods. Foods that have a lot of purine include protein-rich meat and seafood. You want to avoid these as much as possible. Excess amounts of alcohol, including beer, have a lot of purine in them. High-fat foods also have a lot of purines in them, and dried beans, sugary foods are also rich in purine, and sugary beverages. Foods that have a lower amount of purine or help the body remove purines include most fruits and vegetables, most nuts, peanut butter especially, whole grains, potatoes, and tofu. Tofu, although it is rich in protein, most protein-rich foods have purines in them, but most of the purine in tofu is lost during the processing. Therefore, tofu consumption produces only a slight rise in blood uric acid levels and is very much recommended. You also want to eat more fiber-rich foods, which will help your body get rid of excess uric acid. Foods with high fiber content include most fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. Adjusting your diet to contain more low purine foods and high fiber foods and less high purine foods will lower your uric acid levels if they are too high. Now, you also want to avoid medicines that tend to increase uric acid levels. Several medications will do this, including low-dose aspirin, immune suppressants, some of them, diuretic medications as well. So before you decide to avoid these drugs, you need to speak with your doctor first to see what would be a good substitute for you. Also, diet and lifestyle habits can be great substitutes. You can check my website, thegorilladiet.com, or this YouTube channel for anything to help you with that. You also want to maintain proper body weight. Obesity and being overweight can increase your uric acid levels, which is why it's essential to maintain healthy body weight. However, it's vital not to lose weight rapidly, which tends to have the opposite effect and can increase your uric acid levels because it is a byproduct of metabolism, also the breakdown of fatty tissue. Now, quick weight loss will increase the fats in the blood, making the uric acid pro-oxidant and more toxic. Also, excess uric acid levels may lead to the formation of crystals that are attacked by the immune system, increasing inflammation and pain. Also, stress plays a role in raising uric acid levels. That's because stress, less sleep, and too little exercise are known to increase inflammation, leading to increased uric acid levels. You also want to reduce fructose intake. The degradation of the energy molecule adenosine triphosphate, ATP, from the breakdown of fructose is converted into uric acid. Therefore, you want to reduce your fructose intake. Hyperuricemia also blocks the release of nitric oxide, an important compound in reducing heart disease risk and impacting metabolic syndrome. Moderate fructose consumption of less than 50 grams a day is beneficial if consumed through fruits. 3 cups of fruits have approximately 40 to 45 grams of fructose. So 3 cups of fruits is perfect. But excess can harm people who have difficulty managing uric acid levels. Dried fruits and watermelon have high levels of fructose, so you want to avoid these in the meantime as well. So to conclude, a healthier diet with a lot of fiber and low purine foods and an overall healthier lifestyle will work wonders for your uric acid levels and your health. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content, and also visit my website, thegorilladiet.com, to help you move your health and wellness to a better place for you and help you with any weight loss challenges that you may have through my Gorilla Diet 12-week program. Thank you very much for joining.